Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm testing DomoAI, a powerful AI platform made for video creators, anime lovers, and short-form content creators. What is DomoAI? DomoAI is very beginner-friendly and comes with 3 simple modules: AI video, AI image, and AI editing. The real strength of DomoAI is AI video, which is the core of this platform. Feature 1, Nano Banana, main feature. Nano Banana is DomoAI's most powerful and popular feature. With this tool, you can transform multiple images into one brand new image. To try it, the process is very simple. Just upload your multiple images. For example, I'll upload 4 or 5 images that I want to merge into a single image. Next, I'll enter my prompt. For example, a man wearing a white shirt, holding a coffee cup, and wearing glasses. Then select the aspect ratio and keep it on auto. You can also choose whether you want a watermark or no watermark. After that, click on the Generate button to start the process. Now, just wait patiently because it may take a little time. Once the processing is complete, you can see the final result here. Our image is ready. The same boy wearing a white shirt, glasses, and holding a coffee cup. This is how easily you can create these types of images using Nano Banana Pro. Feature 2, Image to Video, core feature. This feature turns a single image into a smooth, realistic video. You can choose between faster model or advanced model depending on quality needs. A cinematic, realistic shot of a young man standing on a rooftop at sunset. Soft wind moves his hair and jacket, natural facial movement, realistic lighting, shallow depth of field, smooth camera motion, ultra-realistic, 4K quality. Result: the video looks cinematic and realistic. Hair and clothing movement feel natural, lighting is stable, and there is no flickering. Prompt 2, Anime Advanced Model. A highly detailed anime-style female character walking through a neon-lit city at night. Natural hair and cloth movement, glowing city lights, cinematic camera motion, smooth animation, high-precision anime quality. Result: anime style stays consistent across all frames. Motion is smooth, lighting is clean, and it's perfect for anime shorts or AI music videos. Feature 3, Talking Avatar Lip Sync. AI allows you to create realistic talking avatars using images or videos with stable lip sync. A realistic human avatar speaking directly to the camera. Natural lip sync, subtle facial expressions, realistic skin texture, studio lighting, professional YouTube presenter style, 4K resolution.
Do you want to create a talking avatar just like me? Now you can do it easily and quickly. Do you want to create a talking avatar just like me? Now you can do it easily and quickly using DomoAI. No technical skills required.
Lip sync is accurate and natural. Facial expressions feel human, perfect for explainer or faceless YouTube content. Feature 4, Frames to Video. You can upload 2 to 8 images, and DomoAI creates smooth transitions between them. Prompt 1, Realistic. Create a smooth cinematic transition video from multiple portrait images of the same person. Natural face blending, realistic motion, soft lighting, professional storytelling flow. Transitions look clean and natural. Faces blend smoothly, making it ideal for before and after videos. You can generate full videos directly from text prompts. Prompt 1A, realistic cinematic scene of a quiet city street during rainfall at night. Reflections on the road, moving cars, soft neon lights, moody atmosphere, 4K quality. Rain reflections and lighting look realistic and cinematic, perfect for storytelling scenes. Nano Banana effect with a very simple workflow. Unlimited generations at a lower price. Best choice for anime creators and original character creators. If you're into anime, AI videos, or short-form content, DomoAI is definitely worth trying. Check the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.